Don't learn Python.
Hey, what's up? My name's John. I'm a software engineer with 10 years of experience. I've worked for companies like Amazon. I founded the Python Guild at my current company. I've been coding in mostly Python for years. I also have a PhD in economics where I studied things like coding boot camps, and I have 3 points that I want to add to DevSlopes. First, DevSlopes makes a lot of really good points. You should go follow their page, and this is no exception. Learn React, not Python. I've been saying that since I got on this app. I've been saying that for years. So the first thing I want to reiterate is why you should learn React, not Python. In their video, DevSlopes talked about learning your path, identifying your path before you figure out what skills will help you on that path. That's true, but the wording can be improved. By path, we mean target job families. You can browse job boards like Indeed.com or LinkedIn, and you want to find job postings so that you can get a job at the end of this. That's the goal, right? As soon as you start targeting job families, you'll notice some of the big ones are full stack, front end, back end, and mobile. Here's what's cool about React. It supports all of them. So you should be learning React and you should be targeting full stack development so that you can target any of these job families. Python is exclusively a backend language. If you ship a web project using pure Python, you can't. It will be transformed into HTML on the client side, and it will be very boring. It will be not interactive if there's no JavaScript. If it's missing CSS, it will be incredibly bland, probably a black and white application. So the truth is that no one is going to make a project like that. You will be using CSS, and you're just deceiving yourself if you think you can just learn Python and build a website. Here's the second point. Juniors should not act like seniors. It's a different point in your career path. You need to learn some things first and some things later. Python is a thing which is best to learn later. It's excellent glue code. So while it's understandable that someone learning to code would look up to an established programmer like me and say, why don't I just do what they're doing? The truth is you need to learn some foundational skills before you learn the advanced skills. And in the world of web development, the foundational skills are HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Python comes later. And the third tip is that the job search itself is an entirely different skill set. So if your goal is to land a job, which is true for more than 95% of people who enter computer science degrees or boot camps, if you're one of the 95% and you think, hey, now I can build web applications, I should magically get a job, right? No, you're going to need to do social networking and a whole bunch of other stuff. So follow the page and you can sign up for free at latterly.io to learn a bunch of those important job search skills as well.